In this video, I'm going to cover how governance works with Vesper and how you can participate. Vesper is a decentralized finance or DeFi protocol that is collectively managed by VVSP owners. This organizational structure is known as a Decentralized Autonomous Organization, or DAO. DAOs are governed using proposals and a voting process to ensure everyone in the organization has a voice. Proposals may include introduction of new products, new partnerships, and other decisions related to the protocol. Before changes to Vesper can be implemented, they must first be proposed as a Vesper Improvement Proposal, or VIP, and voted on by the community. If the VIP passes, only then can changes in the proposal be implemented. You can participate in the governance of Vesper by proposing, developing, and voting on VIPs. At the moment, only whitelisted wallets can propose VIPs, but if you have an idea that garners support via Vesper's community on Discord, it could be formalized into a VIP and voted on. You can find the link to the Discord in the show notes. Voting happens using Snapshot, which is an off-chain governance client that produces easily verifiable results. Creating a proposal and voting on Snapshot is free. Vesper's Snapshot page is shown here. Check the show notes for the link. To vote, you need VVSP in your wallet. VVSP is simply VSP that has been deposited into the governance pool, which not only gives it voting rights, but also a share of the revenue earned by Vesper. Connect your wallet and click on the VIP you would like to vote on, and select for or against. A prime example of the Vesper DAO change process in action is when VVSP owners authorize a partnership with Blockforce to create a DeFi fund, which is the first ever public-private partnership between a professional asset manager and a DAO. Over time, governance of Vesper will shift from the founding team members to the community, which means that the community will eventually be in full control of the future of the protocol. For more details on Vesper's decentralization plan, see Vesper's documentation. A link is included in the show notes. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video.